Hello all. We move on to prepositions. On, at, and in. A preposition is a word that links a noun, pronoun, or noun. In simple meaning, it shows a connection between a noun, pronoun, or a phrase, or in a sentence. To the office, at the desk, on the table, in an hour, about myself. To, at, on, in, about, there are the prepositions. A preposition is used to show direction, location, or time, or to introduce an object. On, used to express a surface of something. I put an egg on the kitchen table. On is used to specify days and dates. Example, the garbage truck comes on Wednesdays. I was born on the 14th day of June in 1988. On is used to indicate a device or machine such as a phone or a computer. For example, he is on the phone right now. On is used to indicate a part of the body. For example, the stick hit me on my shoulder. On is used to indicate the state of something. The building is on fire. An example. That is about the preposition on. Next, about the preposition at. At, used to point out specific time. Example, I will meet you at 12 p.m. At is used to indicate a place. For example, there is a party at the clubhouse. At is used to indicate an email address. For example, please email me at abc@defg.com. At is used to indicate an activity. Example, he laughed at my acting. That's about the preposition at. Next, about the preposition in. Used for unspecific times during a day, month, season, or year. For example, she always reads newspapers in the morning. In is used to indicate a location or place. She looked me directly in the eyes. In is used to indicate a shape, color, or size. This painting is mostly in blue. In is used to express while doing something. For example, in preparing for the final report, we revised the tone 3 times. In is used to indicate a belief, opinion, interest, or feeling. For example, I believe in the next life. Please exercise the quiz. Thank you.